Hello, in this video, let us see a quick overview about our platform. It is divided into various sections. So let's go through this section wise. Let's start with channels. So here you can get onboarded with WhatsApp Business API and manage all aspects of it. From WABA Business Profile, the number that you use in WhatsApp API cannot be used with your WhatsApp mobile app, so you can manage your business profile here. Next is general details. So WhatsApp has various quality scores for your number. Initially it starts with green, and as users mark you spam, then it decreases to yellow or red. You can also see your messaging limit, number status and messages analytics from here. Next we have templates which are sent when the session window is closed. So this needs to be approved by Meta. You can see the approval status here. So it can be pending or approved. Now your template can have optional header or footer. Your body messages can have variables for personalization, and you can have 10 buttons in total. So it includes call to action and quick reply buttons. Next is QR code. You can create a dynamic QR code here. The text that you enter in the QR code comes to you as an incoming message and can be edited later without changing the QR code. Next is conversation automation. So you can set commands and icebreakers for your WhatsApp API number from here. Under billings, you can see your conversation billings and categories as well. You can set your webhooks here under webhook. And when we click on the three dots, from access token, you can get API key and API URL. You can send test messages or recharge conversation wallet from here itself. Next section is bot builder. So we have a very easy drag and drop UI for the bot builder. So when we go to bot builder and create a new flow, we can create a WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram chatbot and select from various triggers available here. We can also add multiple conditions with and or conditions if we are using keyword trigger. We have more than 1000 apps integrated here. You can also give options to your users when you ask them questions and save their responses. We also have a bot library with more than 500 bot templates. So you can search the industry here, and if you find any useful bot, you can simply clone it for your use. Now let's go to next section, which is unified team inbox. So multiple team members can access one single WhatsApp number and reply to the customers from here. So when I click on the eye icon here, I can see all the custom fields and details of this particular customer. We can also add chat note here. So chat notes are not visible to the customer but are for the team members. So for example, if I want to leave a message for my team member that need to be onboarded, I can simply leave a chat note here and then assign this number to a team member from here itself. Now next section of our platform is a mini CRM. So through this, you can manage your contacts, customers or leads. First of all, you can create custom fields. So custom fields basically works like Excel columns. So whenever you are importing contacts, you can have multiple data along with the particular contact entered in the CRM. With this, you can filter the contacts, export them, import via CSV, delete or edit all the contacts together. Next is the option of creating segments on filter based. So all the custom fields that you have created, you can have multiple conditions to filter data of the customers. So for example, If the date of the event is 10 December, then I will get my targeted contacts here, which is only 2, and a segment for them is created. So next we have bulk campaigns. You can create a API or WhatsApp campaign. From WhatsApp campaign also you can create a messaging or payment campaign. So for example, let's take a messaging campaign. Here we will simply select the channel version and enter campaign name. Campaign type can be immediate, or we can even schedule it for a date and time in the future, or we can also use recurring campaigns. So here you'll have to set the frequency of the campaign and rest details here. Now once the campaign type is selected, next we can select from audience. It can be all or even the segmented audience. So for example, the date of event segment can be selected here. You can see the total receivers number has changed, or we can also use quick contacts if you do not want to store the contacts in your CRM again and again. So I can use numbers with variables, or upload CSV directly here as well. We will select recipient number column and next. Next, we will select channel and the message type, which will be a pre-approved template. So we can select the approved template from here and map all the variables here. Before sending a campaign, we can send a test message to ourselves, and after sending a campaign, we can see the campaign report. So here it is divided into all sent, delivered, read, replied or failed. We can even see the reason of failed from here itself. We can export the detailed campaign report from here. Now moving on to the next section, we have a automation builder. You can create various automations from here. This is just an example. We have 1000 plus apps in our automation builder as well. So you can simply click on show all apps and search the app that you want to use. Now next is e-commerce. Users can directly place order via WhatsApp. You can connect your WhatsApp and Shopify stores here. You can update inventory and check orders and carts here directly. Next is WhatsApp mini apps, also known as WhatsApp native flows. Here you can create a form which can be opened and filled inside WhatsApp itself. This form can have conditional and dynamic options as well. Chat widget, you can create chat widget for your website from here. Next is rewards. Here you can add your stores, customers and transactions. Next, you can take payment from customers via WhatsApp native payments by connecting different payment gateways here. From dynamic experiences, you can create dynamic images and send them to user via bots, automations or campaigns. The next section is calendar bookings. So your users can book appointment and get updates and reminders for bookings. You can see all the bookings, approve, reject, cancel or reschedule them from here. And you can even add team members, connect your Zoom and set event availability. Thank you.